What is that? What is that? Hello everybody, my name is MangoJuice and welcome back to Slime Rancher. Bro, oh my, I'm trying to do an intro! So welcome back. So as you guys can see, these the coins in the site. Who's calling me? I'm trying to do an intro. It doesn't matter, the intro. Ajan Ortiz. What do you want, my guy? Oh, you need... I'll go do that, honestly, if I'm being completely honest with y'all. Because at least I get to experience this nostalgia once again. Again, I want to complete it. I want to... just want to do my stuff, you know? I'm very dumb putting those two together when I'm trying to cross. Also, my brother made a good assumption. You know how, like, so I was playing off camera for like 30 minutes trying to get the money that I have now, and my brother made an excellent point. When the rock slimes pass those rock crystals, do they go ah? Just to them. I said yeah, because to them they're not passing any stones, they're passing kidney stone. I think that's what a kidney stone looks like. Like, they're so tiny, but they feel like those balls that my brother. That's, oh my gosh. I'm sorry, little one. Play some Avengers Endgame music. There. I don't have enough money. I got an email from Ortiz. Ortiz! My guy. Here, take this. Again, I'm just trying to get enough money so I can go to the other door. This is basically what the episode is going to be, and also that other slime. Honestly, I don't know what it is. That's the thing. Oh, I have enough money. Before that, let me go see that slime. And bring it here just in case. Because I'm pretty sure it's going to be important later in the episode. Yeah. And the reason why I say that is because I have to climb over here. I don't think I've ever come here before in the previous episodes. I have no memory. Something would have clicked. And there you are. Okay, what are these? What are these? Oh, crystal slimes. Hello, crystal slimes. Okay, eat this one. Ow. I'm gonna collect a few because, just in case. That looks terrifying. That looks terrifying. Also, I had to like fight like a... Oh, I thought it was a gold slime. I had to fight a bunch of tars, and it was obnoxious. I don't know if I've mentioned in the episode, you can tame the tar, which is interesting because, like, they thought there were these wild slime thingy creatures, but no, you can tame them if you have a tar fruit. Don't mind if I do. And my brother also pointed out that I don't need to travel. I can just do this. No more little llama. And the blue ones only come out in the night. Okay, let's go open this area up. I have enough, right? Hey. Yay! In the name of science! Okay, let's go in here. Time to get crafty. What do you want me to do? The what? This barn has all equipment. This barn has all equipment you'll need. Begin crafting gadgets using slime. Gadgets include useful utilities and exploring. So I'm not done. Oh my goodness, there's more to this game than meets the eye. Yeah, furnace. In order to fabricate gadgets, you'll need resources in your refinery. Try shooting a plort into the refinery. But remember, any resource deposited into a refinery cannot be removed. I don't care if you guys are bored. I'll do that in a second. No. I like his little face when it's getting excited, like, oh! Actually, no, 1 second. Let's see if that slime, if the lucky slime is around. Maybe with a gadget, I'll be able to do some stuff. Yes, I know. You want me to go over there? Where did this go? Where am I? Thanks for coming down to my retreat and hearing me out on my offer. So let's get right down to business. I built this place years ago as a little vacation spot for myself. Later on I realized that it neighbors a cluster of islands filled with primitive saber slimes. I call these islands the Wilds, and after exploring them, they revealed their true secret, the rare Kukaduba fruit. What's a Kukaduba? Why, it's only the most delicate, irresistible fruit in the known universe. This is Hello Neighbor after retiring after dealing with everybody's crap. Well, most people say it tastes like rotten cheese, but they're wrong. Anyway, I soon became obsessed with the rotten cheese, but I found myself quickly becoming too old and too slow to deal with the risks. You see the... Bruh. How do I get those? You live here? Open the door, this! Where am I? I'm in an unknown location! Ah! Oh, you opened. What is this? Stop hurting me! Did I just float when I died? This is some Pennywise crap. How much of these do you need? What is that? What is that? Oh gosh. Oh, it's just full of evil. I'm on Evil Island. I need you. They can turn up. That looks like Spending Sky. Oh. Oh. No! 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 Why is everything evil on this island? because they're like biting into me. Oh gosh, I'm gonna die, seriously. Apparently not, because I'm healing. What do they eat? What do you eat? Oh, you eat meat? 1 second. Get the fucking fruit! That's not what I meant to do. Eat the fucking chicken. They don't want to eat the chicken. What is that? Seriously, like, why are these on? Yeah. How? I think I'm gonna leave it right here. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed it, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any news videos. Comment down below what you guys want to see next on the channel. Next episode for sure, I'm gonna figure out. Well, on camera, I'm gonna figure out what I need to do, and it should help me. So, with that being said, MangoJuice signing out.